Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the simplest permission blocks. Open File Explorer, right-click the document, and clear Read Only if set. This removes the basic lock. Once done, make sure no other account or program is holding the file open, close collaborations, cloud syncs, and other editors. If permissions still block you, right-click Microsoft Word and choose Run as administrator. This elevates access so you can proceed to save changes and ownership adjustments. Next, address deeper permission issues in Windows. Open the File Properties, go to Security, and verify that your user account has Modify and Write rights. If not, click Advanced and take ownership, then reassign permissions. Apply to subfolders if needed. Meanwhile, in Word, go to File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Trust Center, Right Arrow Trust Center Settings, and temporarily disable Protected View for files from the Internet if you trust the source. This prevents Word from forcing read-only mode on otherwise editable documents. To finish, save a local copy and try File, Right Arrow Open, and Repair. That often restores editability when corruption causes read-only. Make sure cloud services like OneDrive or SharePoint aren't enforcing a checked-out state. Sign out and back in or disable sync momentarily. If problems persist, restart Windows to clear file locks, run Document Inspector to remove restrictive metadata, and resave as a new docx. If it still fails, restore from a recent backup. That usually solves stubborn locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.